Welcome back to Stony Point Forge and Star Belt Grinders. I've got a lot more work done on this 1x42, 2x42 belt grinder done today. I've added the 1-inch platen. I've added this handle to make my belt changing a lot easier. Now I've got all this clearance back here. I'm going to end up cutting this off and shortening this up about an inch, inch and a half, bringing this closer. I added a spring to the tracking assembly so when I change the belt, the wheel don't flop over on me. I cap the end off, make it more professional looking. Here's 1 inch wide. I'll reverse it. Got the tracking right down perfect now. It don't move a bit. To change it over to a 2-inch belt. I'll take, unbolt my 1-inch platen and replace it with this 2-inch wide platen. It still tracks good, even with a 2-inch belt on there. All I need to do is tear it down for paint and cut that 1.5 inches off the end of it, and I'll be all done. This has got a 2-horse DC servo motor I purchased from the Custom Crafter down in Florida. I think tomorrow I'm going to start working on my bolt together G6 grinders. Here's my fab shop. Blacksmith forge, fly press, power hammer. I'll start drilling and tapping and countersinking holes on this and get this ready to sell. Got the tracking hinges all done today, and got the brackets bent up for the platen brackets bent up. Thank you.